Welcome to HomePan TriPro, your go-to source for all things kitchenware. Today, we are diving deep into a product that promises to redefine your cooking experience, the GreenPan Hybrid 9.5-inch and 11-inch non-stick stainless steel frying pan set, part of their Apex collection. This isn't just another set of skillets, it's a fusion of technologies designed to offer durability, incredible non-stick performance, and versatility. So, what makes this GreenPan set stand out from the crowd? At its core is what GreenPan calls Hybrid Thermobond Technology. This is a fancy term for a smart layering system that combines their PFAS-free ceramic non-stick with an etched stainless steel pattern. The goal here is to give you the best of both worlds, the effortless release and healthier cooking of ceramic non-stick, paired with the incredible searing capabilities and pro-grade durability of stainless steel. GreenPan claims this makes the surface 10 times more metal utensil safe than their previous coatings, which is a significant claim for any non-stick pan. Let's break down that hybrid thermobond technology further. It starts with their Infinite 8 ceramic non-stick, which is GreenPan's proprietary PFAS-free formula. They've enhanced this with a second layer, a non-stick boost layer, all fused together with this unique etched stainless steel pattern. This pattern isn't just for looks. The raised stainless steel sections are strategically placed to direct heat for really powerful searing and more efficient cooking. Imagine getting that beautiful crust on your steak or perfectly browned vegetables, all while enjoying the ease of a non-stick surface. Underneath all of this, the pans boast a triply stainless steel construction. This means there are 2 layers of stainless steel sandwiching a core of aluminum. This triply design is the standard for high-quality cookware. It ensures excellent heat conduction and distribution across the entire pan, preventing hot spots and allowing for even browning and searing. This set comes with 2 essential sizes, a 9.5-inch frying pan and an 11-inch frying pan. These are workhorse sizes for everyday cooking, perfect for searing a couple of chicken breasts, sautéing vegetables, or whipping up breakfast for the family. When it comes to versatility, these pans really shine. They are oven and broiler safe up to a staggering 850 degrees Fahrenheit. This opens up a world of possibilities, from finishing off a dish in the oven to broiling with intense heat. And when it comes to stovetops, they are compatible with virtually everything: induction, gas, electric, and ceramic. The induction compatibility, in particular, is a big plus for many modern kitchens. Cleanup is often the Achilles heel of cookware, but GreenPan has addressed this head-on. They are dishwasher safe, offering ultimate convenience. Of course, with a high-quality non-stick surface, you'll likely find that a simple wipe clean with a soft sponge and some mild soap will do the trick for most messes. Beyond the cooking surface, GreenPan has paid attention to the details that make cooking more enjoyable. The ergonomically designed stainless steel handles are riveted for maximum stability and comfort, ensuring a secure grip even when the pan is full. They've also incorporated chip-free pouring rims, which are a small but significant feature that helps prevent drips and messy transfers when you're pouring sauces or excess liquid. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this GreenPan Hybrid Apex set. On the positive side, the Hybrid Thermobond technology is a standout feature, offering a genuine attempt to combine robust searing with excellent non-stick properties. The PFAS-free aspect is a significant draw for health-conscious consumers, and the Infinite 8 ceramic non-stick is designed for longevity and performance. The triply construction ensures great heat management, and the high oven-safe temperature and universal stovetop compatibility make these pans incredibly versatile. The metal utensil safe claim, if it holds up in real-world use, is a huge advantage for durability. And of course, being dishwasher safe adds a layer of everyday practicality. However, there are a few things to consider. While the metal utensil safe claim is impressive, it's always wise to exercise some caution with any non-stick surface to maximize its lifespan. The etched stainless steel pattern, while functional, might be a bit more challenging to clean than a perfectly smooth non-stick surface, especially if food gets stuck in the grooves. And while the handles are designed for comfort, their ergonomic shape might not suit everyone's grip preference. The price point for a hybrid technology set like this can also be a factor for some buyers. In conclusion, the GreenPan Hybrid Apex Frying Pan Set is an ambitious and innovative product. It aims to solve the common dilemma of choosing between a pan that sears well and one that releases food easily. The combination of PFAS-free ceramic non-stick, the unique etched stainless steel pattern, and the solid tri-ply construction makes this a compelling option for home cooks looking for durable, versatile, and healthy cookware. If you're in the market for new frying pans that can handle everything from a quick scramble to a serious sear, and you value the benefits of non-stick without the traditional concerns, this GreenPan set is definitely worth a closer look. Link in the description.